on the subject matter of Job Sikhali.
I have something to say. It's an insight that the Lord gives me, or that the Lord gave to me, concerning Job Sikhali. What we need right now to hope for Job Sikhali is that he may find himself. Those people who are advising and pushing Job Sikhali to pursue a political career and starting new projects, new political projects, and trying to give him that energy and that confidence. They are not doing this in the interest of this country of Zimbabwe, and they are not doing it in his own interest. The right thing for the people who love Job Sikhali to have done was to allow him to have a political sabbatical where he comes back home. He is discouraged from going straight into political activities. Number one, Job Sikhali needs to rest. Number two, Job Sikhali needs to recover, not only from the mental and the psychological torture and the medical complications or challenges associated with inhuman prison situations or conditions which political prisoners are subjected to, but he also needed to have thorough medical examinations to establish whether he is healthy or not. They needed to discourage Job Sikhali from going straight into politics. He needed some time to rest, maybe a year at least, spend some time with his family without having to look behind his back, checking whether he is safe, whether they have not sent some assassins or some abductors or some law enforcement people to arrest him again for violating a certain code. Take him back to court, take him back to prison. It's not fair. It's not fair for you to not consider Job Sikhali's family, for you to bring microphones into his house and cameras and ask him about a political career and pressure him to start to be involved in political activities, which are the same reason why he was incarcerated. It's not responsible. He was not in the right place to make decisions of that nature. He needed a sabbatical. There is no profit to the activities that he is doing now, apart from making his life more uncomfortable and to bring to himself unnecessary pressures. These cheesers that are telling him that he's going to come up to something. Cheeser is not a man of God. There is no truth in Cheeser. He's not a prophet. He's a charlatan. A few months ago, he lied to Chamisa that he was going to win an election. Remember, Chamisa went to Cheezer's church.
Yes.
And Cheezer said Chamisa was going to win the 2018 elections.